Good morning. My name is Dr. Pankaj Talwar and I'm the Head Medical Services of Birla Fertility and IVF. I'm a gynecologist who's trained in IVF and clinical embryology. I have keen interest in managing the patients with male infertility and andrology. I welcome you back again to our YouTube channel where we routinely educate you all about common issues which pertain to infertility. Before we begin, I would like to introduce to you Birla Fertility and IVF, where we offer compassionate care and clinically reliable fertility solutions to the men and women. Our experts at Birla Fertility and IVF, they've got experience of nearly 14,000 cycles and they specialize in developing tailor-made protocols for you which will help you to achieve consistently high success rates. आज हम बात करेंगे एक बहुत ही पेचीदे कॉम्प्लेक्स इशू के बारे में जिसे हम माइक्रोटिसी कहते हैं. Microtisy is a complex term which when we break down into small words means micro plus tissue. Micro means that we carry out this procedure using a microscope and tissue stands for testicular sperm extraction. जो T और E है tissue के अंदर that stands for testes and S stands for sperm and E stands for extraction. So microtisy is a technique which we carry out in the men who don't make their own sperms. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं that normally when we carry out IVF, we use the sperms which are given to us by ejaculation. There can be multiple reasons of the man having azoospermia or not forming these sperms. These reasons can be the blockage of the tubes which carry the sperms from the testes to the outside, and these tubes can be epididymis, vas deferens or ejaculatory duct, and there can be some conditions where the man doesn't make adequate number of sperms. So azoospermia can be obstructive or non-obstructive. Whenever we carry out treatment for obstructive azoospermia, we normally tend to use surgical sperm retrieval techniques like PISA, TISA or TESI. When all these techniques fail and the man is not forming adequate number of sperms and is having azoospermia due to some hormonal imbalance, we carry out a thing called microtisy. In microtisy, there's a more chance of getting the sperms in the man who have got small sized testes or the sperms are not forming due to any hormonal imbalance. Microtisy is a treatment of choice. So the common queries which you all pose to us, you want to know what is microtisy? How do we carry out microtisy procedure? How much does the microtisy procedure cost? And is the technique having complications? Now we'll talk about the microtisy procedure. Here what we do is that we carry out your sperm extraction under anesthesia using a microscope. आपको बेहोश किया जाएगा और you will be given minimal amount of anesthesia and then the surgeon will open your testes by giving a small nick on your skin, and then the tissues are taken out from the testes under microscopic vision. After that, using a microscope, we will take out some tubules from your testes which are taken out and taken to the and sent to the laboratory. Laboratory के अंदर हम उनको टीस करते हैं और under a microscopic vision we try to take out the sperms from your testicular tissue. अगर हमें sperms मिलते हैं, these sperms can be utilized for IVF and ICSI. तो आपको जान के बहुत खुशी होगी कि nearly 50% लोगों के अंदर हम sperms retrieve कर सकते हैं by this technique of microtisy. Microtisy we can do directly or it can be done after failed PISA, TISA or TESI. Microtisy is a complex technique and it is slightly expensive than other techniques. So microtisy का जो price है, it is somewhere near 1 lakh rupees, but it does guarantee that we are able to take out sperms from nearly 35 to 40% of the males. Microtisy is a very good technique and it can really help the people who have failed PISA, TISA or TESI, and also in the men who have got testicular failure. जब किसी इंसान के अंदर उनकी testes काम नहीं करती हैं and there is no blockage of the tubes and we label them to be having non-obstructive azoospermia, microtisy is a boon for all of them. I'm sure today we would have learned some new concepts. Today we have spoken about microtisy, we have spoken about PISA, TISA and TESE. One thing is for sure that you need not worry. There are techniques by which we can take out sperms in nearly every man आपको हताश नहीं होना है, आपको परेशान नहीं होना है। अगर आपको आपके डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि आपको एज़ोस्पर्मिया है तो इसका इलाज है, और तकरीबन 50 से 90% ऑफ द मेल्स के अंदर हम उनके स्पर्म्स को रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं और आपका IVF कर सकते हैं। आई एम श्योर यू वुड हैव एंजॉयड दिस टॉक। और अगर आपको हमारी बात अच्छी लगी, प्लीज़ लाइक आवर चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इट, please share it with your friends and relatives who may be having similar problems or they want to learn about the technologies. And if you want to meet us, contact us, please visit our website. You can talk to us 24/7. You can book an appointment and visit our hospital, or you can drop a line to our call center. हम जल्द दोबारा मिलेंगे एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, एक नए इशू के साथ जो आपकी मदद करेगा एक माता पिता बनने के अंदर।